Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this very simple math question. If you solve already, then comment your answer to get question here in this shortcut please. I will give you shortcut here. And I will solve for those who are going to solve or you simply want to check their answers. Okay. So we will take help with condense here. We will do simple math and nothing else. So here we can see there are two operations, which one is subtraction and multiplication. And according to Candace, as we know, multiplication has the higher priority than subtraction. So we will first do multiplication, this part. So we can simply write 21 minus 7 by 4 times 4, 4 times 1, 4 times 1. And now we can write 21 minus 7, and 21 minus 7 we will get answer 14. So here right answer is 14. And you have, and if you want to check out this numerical friends for you, then if product link in the description, like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.